Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, you saw the new user interface that can be installed on the 10-inch MU system of Slavia, Virtus, Kushaq and Taigun. So this is a DIY guide or tutorial by following which you can install the update in your car yourself. So the first step will be to download the zip file. The link is provided in the description. So copy the link and open in any of the browser. It will open the web page. Just click on download and wait for the download to complete. Now on your system, insert the pen drive and after that format the pen drive as FAT32. Now the pen drive is formatted. Go to the downloads folder and send the zip file to the pen drive. It will take some time to copy the zip file to the pen drive, so wait patiently. Now get inside the car, turn on the ignition or engine and then open the MU system settings. Then click the system option, then click on system information. Now insert the pen drive in any of the USB-C ports in the front and then wait for the MU system to detect the software update. So it may take some time. Now it will show an update button. Click on this update button and click on the update button again. And after a few seconds, screen will go black and system will get restarted automatically. So now wait patiently for around 5 to 10 minutes for the update to be installed in the infotainment. And after some time, screen will go black again and the system will get restarted. The first boot may take some time, so no need to panic. Now the update is installed on the infotainment. So thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope you like this video. Please comment, like and share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.